In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Amazon order history. This is a very quick and simple process to follow. Before we get started, feel free to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out a lot. First thing you'll want to do is go to Amazon and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled Returns and Orders. Click on that and it will take you to your full order history. Now, at the time I'm recording this, Amazon does not allow users to completely delete order history. However, what you can do is hide your orders by archiving them. This removes them from your main order list so they're no longer visible. Scroll through your orders and choose one you want to hide. For example, let's take this projector order. If you look near the bottom of the item, you'll find a link that says Archive Order. This option removes the item from your visible history and stores it in your archived list instead. Since full deletion isn't available yet, this is the best workaround for keeping certain purchases private. If I click Archive Order, a pop-up window appears asking for confirmation. Just click the Archive Order button again. That order is now successfully archived. It won't show up in your main history anymore, although you can still access it later through your Archived Orders section. Let's do another one for demonstration. Here's an order for some paint I bought. Scroll down, click Archive Order, confirm it in the pop-up window, and the item disappears from the list. Amazon instantly hides it from your visible order history. And that's all there is to it. Simple way to order history, even though full deletion isn't supported yet. I hope this tutorial helped you out today. If it did, I'd really appreciate it if you could drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy ordering.